Hey YouTubers, here is the finished product. This is my completed Romanian Romac PSL, whatever designation you want to call it. This thing was kind of rebuilt from the ground up. It was a parts kit. The rivets in the front were bad. The trunnion was all messed up from a prior install. So this thing basically got a complete overhaul. In the last video you saw how we ground the scope rail. Or the scope mount and the rail to make that fit. The gun has been completely reparkerized and then I put a black oxide on top of it. The rivets and the rear trunnion were made out of a dissimilar metal, so they weren't taking the parkerizing quite as well. The black oxide kind of evens everything out. It's 7.62 by 54. I redid all the wood on this thing. It was non-matching. The top wood did not match the bottom wood, did not match the buttstock. You can tell the buttstock's a laminate. This thing is in absolutely gorgeous condition. I had a couple of problems also with the safety and the muzzle brake. That was my stupidity. I had basically taken blued parts, degreased them, and stuck them in the parkerizing. So it made this kind of cool swirl, case-hardened peacock-looking thing. But considering this thing is all black, I thought it would look kind of stupid put all together and not matching. So I ended up using a black alumihide parkerizing formula that they have that I've used in the past. You can find this stuff on Brownells, and it's great for stuff like Garand gas ports that don't take parkerizing at all. So it has a brand new buffer in it, and pretty much is ready to go. I'm going to make another video here fairly soon. The rail on this thing is a bit tight, meaning the bolt rails, whatever they call them. So this will need to be worked in. But once it's probably put about 100 or 200 rounds through it, this thing kind of loosen up a little bit. This thing will pretty much be perfect. So we'll get the scope sighted in and go from there. So probably the next video on this will be me shooting it out at the range, the function test and a safety test, make sure it works. I've double checked everything, double checked the headspace, double checked all the tolerances, and we should be good to go. So like I said, this thing was a tan wood with kind of a poorly done blued finish. These front rivets were so badly done that they just kind of took a quick grinder to them, and they ended up using literally a Sharpie to touch it up. So I had this whole thing bead blasted, I parkerized it and whatnot. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Next one will be us shooting it. I'll also start working on that Hakim rifle, and for those of you that may be interested, I'll have some probably well-known and not so well-known porn stars shooting my guns. Figured a little bit of diversion from kind of getting away from the kind of the technical aspect of it, give you something kind of fun to watch. All right, so stay tuned. Thanks for watching.